Hello everyone. How are you all today? Thank you very much for watching, for being here today. I have a special guest yoga student who's going to teach you some yoga poses, and he's going to do it his own way. This is fun. This is really fun, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching. Welcome my handsome and quirky fiance. Pasok, my love.
Today I'm going to show you some yoga poses. The first one I'm going to show you how to do headstand. This hand should be here. Easy. The second one, how to stand on your hands. Now, how to touch your feet with your ear. This side also. You have to both sides. Easy. Very easy. Silva. How to hold your arms from behind. Sit this way. Good, good. Good job. How to do this first? Very easy. Okay. I think enough for today. Thanks for watching.
Alright. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at natuto. Ingat-ingat sa paggaya ng kanyang itinuro. Bye! Thanks everyone for watching. Really thank you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Please like, share, and comment. And ring the bell all to be updated with our latest videos. God bless you all. Bye!